So that's 313, that's where I came from. And here it just says no garbage service. And I think this is the place to camp because I see a van camper right there. So we'll see if I can find a campsite for me and Jason. First spot. And there's the big pond. And then I'm gonna go there to the other side because the guy said there might be some nice spots there. The reason I camp here because I got huge solar sunshine from the sun. So, but I'm gonna check it out and see. He said it's hard to drive there with the van. There's plenty of water. That's why it's not very ideal to camp now, but I don't know. Those are the guys in that camper van, and the guy said maybe check out that other side. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll just walk and check it out. That's the road we came in, and I went through that way, so it's easier. If you go through here, you'll get stuck. This water, it looks deep. Walking on the road. That's why I walk on the road, because here it's wet. There's water there. And there's the pond. Hopefully there's fish. Check and see if there's fish there or not. But later when Jason gets here. So this is the entrance to the other side of the pond. I parked my car over there. I don't know if you can see it. There's the pond, and it looks like there's a big hole here. So maybe my car can climb up to this side. I don't know if Jason's gonna bring a car. My SUV for sure can climb up here because it's all-wheel drive. I don't know if there's more entrance, but this looks better here. It's quieter. So let's see if we can find any more spot. So I mean any other entrance, but this is a better forest here. It's drier. There's not much water. I mean, there's no standing water. So there's a lot of spot to park. It's not very flat. It's not flat, sloping, but this would be a lot better. It's more peaceful. And let's see if maybe this spot here is entrance. Maybe there's another entrance here. It looks like there's also a big pothole. This one is fine, but once you get here, there's a chance you can get stuck because this is standing water. Maybe you can go through here, go like this, and see you can make it. But I'm worried. I haven't been through any this could be soft. Looks like it's hard. The dry part is hard. That's gonna make your car dirty. Maybe climb up. You can climb up to this side and go that way. Maybe. If you get stuck, it's gonna be hard. But this is good, better entrance. I don't know if there's another entrance. We'll have to check. I think that's it. So that's the road I came in, and this is the second entrance. It's probably doable. We'll see what Jason will say, but that thing is deep. I'm sure my car can get in, but his won't be able to. If he just brought a car, maybe we can go through here, but there's no way to go in. There's a dead end there, you cannot drive through there. But if you go through here, this is good, this is good. Maybe this is good for me. My car for sure, it's all-wheel drive, can go through here. Or you can go up here. Up here, you turn. There's no things sticking out, puncturing our tires. Maybe you can go around here. That's possible. And go through here. It's a good possibility. Oh yeah, there's signal here. Message Jason. Trying to get some phone signal because down there's no signal. Hopefully there's phone signal here. Earlier there was a signal and then it disappeared. So I don't know where the signal is coming from. But here we could probably make a left turn here if he wants to climb up here. This is Sexton Pan Dispersed camping, and the reason it's called pond because there's a big pond down there. This side has a higher, it's like a hill, so it's a little bit drier compared to the one down there where I park in that camper van. So I don't know if I'm gonna move up here depending on what camper Jason brought. If he didn't bring an SUV, it'll be hard for him to climb up here, but here it's a lot quieter. There's a lot more space, and there's even a lot of firewood right there. He will be happy. We can build a fire right here. Although there's some trash, but someone brought a lot of firewood right here, and then you can go down to the pond, which is actually good. It looks nice from up here. It's not a huge pond, but it would be good to actually it's good to, well, if you have a all-wheel drive, you can go down here. 4x4, probably not all-wheel drive. It's gonna be hard to climb up here. You're gonna get stuck down there, but maybe a tent would be nice down there. It's nice here. I like it out here. There's more over there, but it's gonna be a rough road. And then you can probably fish down there, especially down that side. If there are fish there, we could catch some. But right now, no phone signal. It's already 1:30. Maybe 30 more minutes. See if he'll show up here or not. Otherwise, this is a good tent camping. kung so you can actually climb there if you have a jeep or here. Nobody has tried it before, but it looks iffy. So, if you have a 4x4, you could try it and see it will climb up. Otherwise, it's a good camp area, but there's no cell phone signal. No cell phone signal. See, probably, I don't know if you can fish here. There's a lot of growth there. Somebody has camped here earlier. Nice area. It's more rough. But there's another campfire and there's like a beach. I can fish here. I can see a little fish. So fishy. Except that there's no sunshine here. It's hard to gonna get sun, but if you can catch a fish, it'll be good. And then the neighbors are there. I think that's it. What do you think, guys? It's a nice place, huh? Except there's no phone signal. It's very steep. It was steep, so let's see. How about if you drive through here to the side road? Maybe there are no nails or sharp wood. Maybe there's a chance you can get through here. So nobody has driven here before. But where are you gonna go from there? These saplings are strong. It's gonna scratch your car. So I don't think that's a good idea to drive through here. So once you get that side, you're done for. You have to go up there, and then if you want to come down there, you have to bring a tent. Walking back to my camp. Sometimes it's full of water. We have to go to the other side. At least I got a good exercise going up there. Except there's not much solar there. It would have been good to just camp there. If I didn't have food in my refrigerator, that would be the best place to go camp. But here we got sunshine, so the shade is catching up to the car, and then sunlight is going further, so don't know how far my battery will get recharged. Hopefully more than 50%, so you can use it overnight. But we will see where's my final campsite would be. But here it's also good if we don't have to climb up there, depending on how adventurous, if he is gonna show up. But he said he's gonna show up. Maybe he's lost, there's no phone signal up there, there's a chance to get a phone signal.